Welcome to MotorMav. Today we will talk about Chevy Malibu seat that won't recline, with useful information that will help you a lot. Chevy Malibu is a popular car with many features. One of the features that Chevy Malibu has is the reclining seats. However, sometimes the seat will not recline. So, in this video, we have pointed out possible reasons for this issue and solutions you can try. Reason 1. The reclining mechanism is broken. If your Malibu car seat won't recline forward or backward, it's likely because the reclining mechanism is broken. In this case, fix it or replace it. Reason 2. Objects might have blocked the slides. If your Malibu car seat won't recline, something may be blocking the slides. For this issue, remove any objects that are blocking the slides. Reason 3. Wiring motors are damaged. If your seat has damaged wires, then the driver's seat won't move forward. In this case, fix it or replace them. Reason 4. The fuse has blown. If your car's power seat fuse has blown, you'll need to replace it before you can continue using your car's power seat. In this case, call a professional electrician to fix it. Thanks for watching.